The Slipstream ProElectric from SpinnerClean is an electric pressure washer head and shoulders above the normal DIY pressure washers found in the marketplace. Ideal for cleaning driveways, patios, cars, vans, motorbikes, trailers, garden furniture, and much, much more. The Slipstream ProElectric is so easy to use. Simply plug into an outside tap, connect the pressure hose and your end tool, switch on and start cleaning. Features include 12-inch surface cleaner, fan lance, turbo nozzle, pressure control valve, detergent feeder, pressure gauge. The specifications of the Slipstream ProElectric come in at 130 bar, 1900 psi and, more importantly, 10.5 litres per minute of water movement. The above normal water flow for the ProElectric powers the durable 12-inch surface cleaner to glide across paving, offering a deeper clean normal electric pressure washers can only dream of. For rinsing down cleaned areas, the ProElectric comes with a fan lance. To complete the ProElectric package is a turbo nozzle. The rotating water exiting the turbo nozzle is ideal for cleaning patio steps and dwarf walls. Here at SpinnerClean, we are the true pressure washing experts. We've introduced the Slipstream ProElectric for DIY and professional use. If you're a homeowner, the ProElectric will tackle all your household cleaning tasks, leaving you with a satisfying feeling of therapeutic cleaning. If you're a professional, the ProElectric with its high water flow will enable you to clean to a professional standard and satisfy your clients every time. The Slipstream ProElectric comes with the exceptional SpinnerClean backup and support as standard.